Hey everybody, Justin Cena here. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Doba Dropshipping for your Wix store. We're going to jump right into it, and this is all about Wix plus Doba Dropshipping and how it's going to make you a ton of money. I'm going to show you how to do it the exact right way. And if you're using Wix as a storefront, you already know that it makes it for a super easy way to build a professional online business. But of course, you still need products. You still need something to sell. You need order fulfillment. You need suppliers. You need quality control. I'm going to show you how all of that happens when you connect your Wix store to your Doba Dropshipping account. And Doba connects directly with Wix. There's an app that allows you to connect your store. I'll show you exactly how to use it. It allows you to find products, publish them to your store, keep all product information and inventory synchronized, and most importantly, it allows for things like automatic fulfillment, the use of Doba Pilot AI, and really all of the different benefits of working with Doba Dropshipping. I'll show you as we go over the shoulder exactly how to connect Doba to Wix, add products, and so much more. It's highly, highly recommended, and you see the link directly below this video. Now, what does the process look like? How does dropshipping work with Wix? Well, once you install and connect Doba Dropshipping to your Wix store, you're able to choose products from Doba's massive, massive catalog with over 90% of their products shipping directly from the United States. So we know we're going to get fast shipping, great products, and great pricing. You're never going to have to purchase inventory. You don't need to store any products yourself. You don't need a warehouse or anything like that. Doba simply publishes the selected products to your Wix store and synchronizes all the important information like inventory, product details, and then when orders come in, all of the order information. Because when a customer orders from your Wix store, you purchase the product through Doba and the supplier ships it directly to your customer. And that's the important part here. You purchase the product through Doba after the customer orders from your Wix store, which means you get paid before anything else happens. That's why dropshipping with Doba is such a great business model. And we're going to go over the shoulder. You see the link below. We're going to take a look at Doba Dropshipping. I'll show you how to integrate it into your Wix store and why this is a must-have if you want to build a great dropshipping business. You're looking at Doba.com, and if you want to build your dream business, you need to use Doba's AI-powered dropshipping. And I've got tons and tons of videos on Doba Pilot, which is just so powerful. It's their AI agent built exactly for dropshipping. But I'm going to show you how to integrate Doba and get all their great features into your Wix store. And you'll be able to get started. All you need to do, click that link directly below this video, enter in your email, start AI dropshipping. You'll get your account ready to go. Again, 90% US stock, super fast shipping. You got 20 plus years of expert market data. There's no better option when it comes to dropshipping than Doba. You see 20 plus years industry experience, over 3 million dropshippers use Doba, and there's been over $6 billion in sales off of Doba dropship products. It's that powerful, and there's tons of research tools. There's the AI built in. There's 90% of products being stocked in the US, expert product selection, automatically monitoring inventory and pricing 24/7, and automatic fulfillment. I mean, super, super powerful. Doba connects with all of the big platforms. Of course, we're going to be working with Wix, but it also connects with eBay and Shopify and TikTok Shop. So it's really, really, really powerful. And like I said, the number one choice when it comes to drop shipping. Now you're looking at the Doba Dropshipping Wix app, and we're in the Wix app marketplace, and this is where all the different Wix apps are at. You see it's a verified by Wix app. You know it's going to work perfectly, and it literally integrates exactly what I was just describing. That full Doba dropshipping experience. You get all those amazing products that ship from the US. You got all the AI integrations. You got fast shipping, scalable service. I mean, it's the number one way to do it. And when you have a Wix store, this is the easiest way to make the connection. No code or anything like that. You could get one-click listing. You can get automatic inventory sync. Literally all the features just when we install this app. And all you need to do, click the Add to Site button. This is going to bring you back into Wix, where we'll be able to finalize the installation and then get to the good stuff, adding products into our store. So I'll click Add to Site over here. It's going to load up the permissions. I will simply grant permissions, agree, and add. This now connects our Wix site to Doba Dropshipping. And it's really, really that simple, because when we have this connection, we now have full access to the Doba catalog. You see over here, store connected successfully. And we could look at some store settings if we want. You see we have different inventory and order rules over here. See the different ship to countries. But we're going to get to the good stuff now. When we come back over here into Doba, we have access to the full catalog. Any one of these products, and remember 90% of the products ship directly from the US. So we're going to be able to start building that massive Wix store all with products that we'll never have to touch, right? These are all going to be drop shipped. And you could use the category selector over here. You can go and search through different categories. You have things like pets and sports and toys and clothing. You could do keyword searches, of course. You could do something like cats. It's always a good popular one to start with. And you can see all these different results. You could sort things over here. This is really powerful. Sorting by best sellers. So we could literally say, hey, Doba, what are the best selling products for me to add for cats in this niche? And I can go over and add them into my Wix store. So you see they have a little sensory bubble tube, they have a cat cage, got cat toys, right? All these different things. And when you find a product that you're interested in, you come over here and you click add to inventory list. But first we'll click on this. You can see this is the product detail page. It's going to give you all the information about the product. For example, the price, where it's shipping from. You see over here it's shipping from Florida. You're going to get 2 to 5 day fast shipping to the US. Right? If you want to build a long-term Wix store, you need to have great fast US-based shipping, and Doba's products do exactly that. So if you're interested in the product, you click add to inventory list. This is basically going to be a list of all products that you're interested in. You can categorize it if you want, but I'm just going to skip and add to inventory list. Basically what you do is you go through the entire Doba catalog and you say, hey, I want to find great products to add to my store. And they even recommend some products over here. Find a lot of great products, add them to your inventory list. I've actually already added this one in my inventory list. And when you're ready to go, you click view an inventory list. And this is going to show you all your products inside of your inventory list. For example, this 2-pack safety seatbelt that I just added, right? And any of the other products that I've added to my inventory list. This is the kind of in-between step where we start to say, hey, we're interested in these products. But now if we want to list them into our Wix store, all we need to do is come over here and click this checkbox and click list to store. Super, super powerful. You might see multiple stores here because I've already added my Shopify store and my Wix store. So of course I'll come over here, select my Wix store, and I'll click continue. And this is really powerful because this is the actual product creation. We don't need to go back into Wix and copy and paste anything. We're literally going to create the product right through here. So first of all, we have the product name. We can come over to the AI product optimizer, and I'm going to have it give me new choices for my product title. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to select this one and I will apply that. So you see that the product title has been replaced. If you have any discounts or if you want to select a collection, you could do that. That's optional. We come over to the description. You see over here we have all of our different images and all the different text and all that great stuff. It's going to get sent right over into our Wix shop. So we'll keep that. Let's say you didn't want to have something in there. For example, maybe you didn't want this in here. You could delete it or add formatting. Maybe you want to bold it or underline it or just remove it completely. Totally up to you in terms of how you want this to look. And you get all those options. Coming over to variants, this is going to be where we have our actual price. You see it costs us $5.09 with $0 shipping. We're going to sell it for $9.99. We're going to make about $5 profit every single time we sell it. Last thing that we need to do is select the images. It's going to automatically pull over all of the images. You see the checkboxes over here. These are going to get sent over into your store. Let's say for some reason you didn't want this product image. You could simply uncheck it. But I do recommend sending all of the images over. Now that we have everything set up, our product title, our description, our variants with our pricing, and our images, we're now ready to go. We're going to click List Now. And what's going to happen is this product is now going to be added directly into our Wix store. Right? Because we made that connection in the Wix app market with the Doba app, we're now able to make these instant product connections. So we add this product into our store and it's going to be purchasable just like any other product in any other Wix store. And when someone buys it, that order information is going to get sent over here into orders, and Doba will automatically fulfill that product, right? They'll package it up, they'll ship it off to the customer, they'll even provide the tracking number on your behalf, fully drop shipped. So let's go ahead and take a look at this product on my Wix store. Okay, now I'm over inside of the catalog, the product section in my Wix store, and you see this exact product is ready to go. Why is this over here? Well, because we added it from our listings in Doba directly into our Wix store. Everything gets sent over, like I said, the title, the images, all of the different information that we put, the details in the description with all that text, all that great imagery. Of course, the price that we set as well. Right, we put our price in over here. Everything is set and ready to go. This product is now literally ready to be purchased, and it's added from Doba, right? Because we added that app, we can literally go from Doba catalog directly into our Wix store. You're looking at my live Wix site, and you see the product has been added. The title that we have, the price that we have, all of the different high quality images that were sent over with Doba right over here. And of course, this product is ready to be bought. So we're taking a look at the actual description as well. We see all of that great information and the great images put right into our Wix store template. We don't need to do anything, copy and pasting, anything like that. It's all ready to go. And the best part is people can go ahead and buy this product right now. If anyone does, Doba will receive that order, package it up, send it to our customer. We won't need to do anything. And you see it's live literally right now. Super easy to do. So that was Doba Dropshipping for Wix. And if you have a Wix store, you need to get Doba Dropshipping in there ASAP. It's super, super easy to use. No technical skills required, and it's highly recommended. You can make a ton of money with the great US-based inventory that's ready to ship with Doba. If you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to drop a comment directly below this video. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them personally, but I hope this video shows you exactly how to use Doba. Make sure you jump into your Wix store, watch this video a few times, follow along, get this all set up, get those products in there, and I hope this really helps you make a ton of money. Got a lot of great Doba videos, especially Doba pilot videos, inside of my YouTube channel. Make sure you give me a subscribe, but hope to see you in the next video, and most importantly, I'll see ya in my next vidya.